Okay, let's read the book.
Okay.
What's the name of the book?
Dad can Bernie.
Dan Can Build. Okay, turn the page. Just look at the book, Mace, not the camera.
He can draw.
He can draw. Okay. Next page.
Okay.
Go back to your house. Don't come out.
Oh, what's the next page say, Mace?
Dad can draw.
Dad can saw.
Oh,
Okay.
water.
Mace, you gotta read the book here, okay? Okay, what's this page say?
He can glue.
He can glue. Very good. Okay, next page.
He can tap.
He can tap, tap, tap. Okay, the next page.
1, 2. Go back to your
Okay.
house.
Okay.
Dad. Dad.
No, what's it say?
Can Dad can pat Dad.
Dad can pat Dan. Okay. And the last page is... Okay, what's the last page say?
Coming to get you. 1, 2,
Dad
3, 4.
can.
Very good, Macy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.